Three Little Birds, Bob Marley in the key of A, and 1, 4, 5 is your typical what they call a 3-chord wonder. 3-chord wonder is a lot of rock and roll. Was just a lot of Chuck Berry and all that sort of really old-fashioned rock and roll was that kind of thing. So yeah. That's a 5. That's a 1 chord, but with the kind of 6 on the vocal. 4. 1. 5. 4. 1. So this is just 1 and 4. Yeah, I'm just walking up the bass line from my 1 to 4. Just a little bass boom, 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 boom. But that's it.